Okay, students, in our last class, we have done area and perimeter of rectangle and square. In our today's class, we will learn about volume. What is the meaning of this word? Volume means capacity. Capacity of something, of holding something in it, occupying something in it. Suppose if I talk about capacity of a water tanker, volume of the water tanker, both are same. Capacity of a glass holding water in it, that how much of amount that water can occupy in it, that means volume of the glass. um, Capacity of a bottle, water bottle, volume of a water bottle. So I am talking about the capacity of holding water of the water bottle. So volume is exactly what? The definition of volume is given to you in your book, which is on page number 135 in the pink cloud, which says that volume of an object is the amount of the space it occupies. जितनी भी चीज उसके अंदर आ सकती है, एक बॉटल के अंदर अगर 1 लीटर पानी आ सकता है, इट मीन्स द कैपेसिटी ऑफ होल्डिंग वाटर of that particular water bottle is 1 liter only. उससे कम पानी आ सकता है लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आ सकता, तो उसकी अमाउंट, उसका उस पानी को ऑक्यूपाई करने का वॉल्यूम है 1 लीटर. So this is what volume is. Here we will talk about these cubes. These are cube. This is also a cube and this is also a cube. The only difference between these two cubes is this is bigger than this. Yes, this is bigger than this. So I can say that अगर मैं इसमें पानी भरती हूँ और मैं इसमें पानी भरती हूँ, तो automatically it is clearly understood that the capacity of this cube is greater than the capacity of this cube because it is smaller, और इसका वॉल्यूम भी कम होगा, इसकी कैपेसिटी भी कम होगी. ये बड़ा है, इसकी कैपेसिटी और इसका वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होगा. सो दीज टू फिगर्स आर क्यूब्स. हमने एरिया और पेरीमीटर के लिए हमने स्क्वायर यूनिट्स पढ़ा था, छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. यहाँ पर हम वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए क्यूब्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. और the most important thing which I would like to explain you about the unit. वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए आंसर में यूनिट आएगी क्यूबिक, whatever it is, मीटर. So you will say cubic meters. अगर क्वेश्चन में सेंटीमीटर्स है, so you will say cubic centimeter. Way of writing this unit is this. इस एक क्यूब की यूनिट हो जाएगी 1 cubic सेंटीमीटर्स. इसकी भी 1 cubic सेंटीमीटर. एक क्यूब जो है वो 1 cubic सेंटीमीटर्स और मीटर्स होगा, बट क्यूबिक इज वेरी नेसेसरी. क्यूबिक इज the complete spelling of cubic is CUBIC, but short में हम इसे लिखेंगे CU. Okay, so capacity of this cube is 1 cubic centimeter or meter, whatever it is, and this is also 1 cubic centimeter. So this was all about volume and the units and the cubes. So now we will start with the two terms. Two terms are cube and cuboid. So here volume has two shapes. While finding out the volume, we will be having two shapes. First is cuboid and the second is cube. So basically what cuboid is and what cube is. Cuboid has all the measurements different. The measurement in the cuboid will be different. Length, like the way we were having a rectangle, length and breadth were different. So here we will be learning about one more parameter, which is height. Length is there, breadth is there, but one more parameter is added, that is height. So cuboid is the 3D formation of rectangle and cube is the 3D formation of square. So here we will be having, for cuboid we will be having length into breadth into height, and for cube we will be having side into side. So it is clearly understood that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. This is the formula of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is side into side into side. So the next video we will learn how we will recognize which shape is given, how to find out the volume, what is the trick of finding out the volume. Let's start. Now, the most easiest way to find out the length, breadth and height is this. This is a cube or cuboid given to us. So we will always say that this portion will be the length. Always make this concept clear. This will be our length, and the line which is going a little slant will be the breadth, and the height is the vertical line. So always and always remember, you have to use these three terms: length, breadth and height. Now suppose if I say that height is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter and length is 4 meter, and then I ask you find out the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So we'll apply this formula. Put the values. Length is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter, height is 4 meter. So 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 8. Is it the answer? No. This is our answer, but this is not the complete answer. Where is the unit? So you will write cubic meter. Now this is our complete answer. So this is the way of finding out the volume of cuboid. So this was one of the way which I have explained you. Okay, let's try to find out the volume of this cuboid. This is a cuboid. Yes, it is a cuboid. So first of all, we will find out where is the length, where is the breadth, and which is the height. Which is the length, which is the breadth, and which is the height. So this is our length. This is our breadth, and this is our height. So how will we find out how much length this cuboid is having, how much breadth and how much height? So length, it has 2 cubes in it. Yes. Breadth has 1 2 3 cubes in it. 1 2 3. Length has 2 cubes, breadth has 1 2 3 cubes, and height has 1 and 2 cubes. So we'll write length is 2 whatever meter, breadth is 3 meters, and height is 2 meters. we have to find out the volume of this cuboid. Apply the formula. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. So length is 2, breadth is 3, height is 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 cubic meter. This is the way of finding out the volume of cuboid with the help of given pictures. So every time you have to find out which is the length, which is the breadth, and which is the height, and then count the cubes. Not all the cubes, only the cubes which are given to us near the length, breadth and height. ये लेंथ के दो क्यूब्स हमने लिख दिए, ब्रेथ के 3 क्यूब्स लिख दिए, हाइट के 2 क्यूब्स लिख दिए. हम ये 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 we will not count like this. Simply count the first row of the cubes. That will be your length, breadth and height respectively. So this is the way of finding out the volume of cuboid. So I would like to explain this. This was the cuboid. Now I would like to explain you about cube. So let's start. So let's see again. Without knowing the length, breadth and height, we cannot solve. So first we will find out what exactly it is. Is it a cube or cuboid? If all the sides are equal, it means length, breadth and height. If the measurement of length, breadth, height is equal, that means it's a cube. If the measurement of length, breadth and height is different, that means it's a cuboid. So we will apply the formula accordingly. So let's find out the length, breadth and height first. This is the length. This is the breadth again. And this is the height again. So let's start counting the cubes. Length has 1, 2. 2 cubes. Okay. Breadth has 1, 2 cubes. And height has 1, 2 cubes. It means all the measurements are same. So it is a cube. So we'll apply the formula of cube. Volume of cube. Side into side into side. If all the sides are equal, in the formula you will apply side into side into side. You cannot write length into breadth into height for cube. Your formula will be wrong. So side is 2, this side is 2 and 2. So our answer will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 cubic whatever, चलो इसको सेंटीमीटर्स ही मान लेते हैं. So the answer is 8 cubic centimeters. So this was all about cube, cuboid, how to find out length, breadth, height, how to recognize which shape is given. So all these small concepts I have explained you. So now let's start exercise.